End of Duval Street, and they moved the buoy for the southernmost point. They moved it straight ahead. Used to be down at the end of this street right here, but now they moved it over here, and there is a line to get your picture taken in front of it. That is wild. Yeah. So I guess if you don't want to have your picture taken with the buoy, you can bypass the line, which is quite long, as you can see. They do a neat little thing here, your photo on a vintage newspaper. That's pretty cool. But yeah, you can get your photo taken in front of the southernmost point if you don't mind waiting. Greetings from Monroe County, Southernmost Point. So they're calling this the southernmost point right now, but we all know it's down at the end of that other street. It's a nice little plaque. Key West Marine Park and Snorkel Trail. We also have a little monument right here, Emma Carrero Cates Pier at South Beach. So this is South Beach. And they're doing work over where the southernmost point is, so they moved the buoy over to here during that time. And then we'll put it back when the work is done. Yeah, people like to get out here and have their picture taken too. It's not a bad spot. Oh wow, he just dove. He flew over our head and dove in the water right there. That's crazy. Just beautiful out here. People out swimming, enjoying the water, flying in. Woo. That was cool. Yeah, this is kind of neat. Oh, what's this bird? He's flying in the wind. People enjoying the beach. Yeah, I actually like this location too for the southernmost point. They got a lot of room for people to stand. They're not in the road. And where it was, the waves would crash in on people at times when the waves were heavy. You'd get soaked standing in front of this buoy. Here, it doesn't happen. Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
Very popular place, Southernmost Point. Now, let's take a walk down to where the Southernmost Point Buoy used to be and see how the construction's coming. This used to be the southernmost house until this house was built. The southernmost house. That's funny. The southernmost house. It's a big house. It's a nice house. Yeah. And right back there, that's where the buoy used to be. Oh, what's this on the ground? One human family. That's pretty cool. Didn't know that was there. Construction, keep out. That's how they're coming along. Looks like they're building up the wall. Maybe so the waves don't crash in so much. Let's see if the conch shell guy is still out here. The statue at the southernmost point in Key West, Florida, honors Bishop Albert Key, born 1941, passed away 2003. He was an unofficial goodwill ambassador who greeted visitors for decades by blowing a conch shell and shouting, "Welcome to the island." They got this all blocked off. It used to be somewhere over here. Hey, is the conch shell guy statue, is that still back there? Or
what happened, sir?
The conch shell guy, the guy that's standing there holding the conch shell, it's a statue. Is that still back there? It was like not too far from the southernmost point, maybe in this area.
I'm not sure.
You don't see
it. The buoy's still in there, just surrounded in the wooden boards right there, so we don't mess
so
with.
That buoy over there is a different one, huh?
Yeah, this is the southernmost point.
Yes.
Yeah, this we're just redoing this.
But the original buoy is inside of the wood.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because they got a buoy down there now, but that's not the original southernmost point buoy.
I don't think so, because this was right next to the. You see that little yellow building right there, where that's where they used to make communications with Cuba.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It has a little sign on it. If you can, you could probably zoom in on your
take
camera.
this over there, and I might be able to zoom in.
Yeah, you could probably zoom in, and it's got a little thing on the building where you can read it.
Yeah.
And it tells you that this is where they first made communications with Cuba, because Cuba is only 90 miles away from here.
Right. Mm-hmm. But there was a statue of a guy holding a conch shell. And it was not too far from the buoy in this area.
Yeah,
so
they probably relocated it just for now while we're working on it, so we don't damage it or anything like that. Right.
But they probably put it back when you guys are all done?
Yeah, when we're done.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. There it is. Buoy. Everybody wants to have their picture taken. And the statue, too. Blowing on a conch shell. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. And this buoy is the southernmost point, and it's only 90 miles from Cuba. And that was a blast. That was a blast checking that out. It's funny, huh? That's the southernmost house.